Drowning in communication chaos? Let's get you set up with Messagebird and streamline all your messaging needs in under 90 seconds. First, head over to messagebird.com and click on the Sign Up button, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Fill in your email address and create a strong, secure password. Then, click Create Account. Make sure to agree to their terms and conditions too. Now, check your inbox for a verification email from Messagebird. Click the verification link to activate your account. This is a crucial step for security. Next, let's generate your API key. Navigate to the Developers or API Access section in your dashboard. Here, you'll find your unique API key. Keep this key secure, as it allows access to your Messagebird account. To send and receive messages, you'll need a virtual phone number. Go to the Numbers section of your account. Here, you can search for and purchase a number that suits your needs, selecting country and features. Finally, dive into the Settings section. Here you can configure important options like setting up two-factor authentication for added security, managing user permissions, and adjusting your notification preferences. Explore the different options to tailor Messagebird to your workflow. And just like that, you're set up with Messagebird. Now, you can start sending SMS messages, integrating with different platforms, and optimizing your communication strategy. Don't forget to explore Messagebird's documentation for more advanced features.